Hi and welcome back, everyone. This is a reading for Cancer for the month of May 2020. Please remember that this is a general reading and take from it what you can and allow other things to pass. Timing is fluid and the roles can be reversed. The month of May is going to prove to be a very, very significant month for most of the signs I have read for so far. But let's see what's coming up for Cancer. So, show me clearly, Spirit, what is coming up for Cancerians for the month of May 2020. There's a Queen of Swords. There's Ace of Pentacles. There is the card of the Empress. Okay. We have the Ten of Pentacles. Four of Swords. And Eight of Cups. Just give me a moment, Cancerians. I'm feeling that some kind of a problem or a situation around the lady is causing you a lot of trouble. Now, probably your stress levels are rising due to that, or such a problem is coming in from a feminine source. I'm also feeling that you are thinking and wanting to do much around family, but somewhere you are taking a back seat and feel that it may not be understood well, or maybe there is some kind of a disconnect between you and other members happening right now. I also feel you have some great ideas backing your thoughts in your mind with regards to some kind of a work, inheritance, some kind of a court case, some kind of a legal battle. But I think that's just got to wait for a while, Cancerians. I also feel that in the month of May, there are going to be some financial opportunities showing themselves to you, or some kind of money which was stuck, like a payment salary, that could be coming in. However, that may not be to the amount or the expectation that you think it should be, but it should make you comfortable for the entire month. I'm also feeling that, all right, just one moment. I'm also feeling, Cancerians, that you are going to see light at the end of this tunnel with regards to a relationship with a lady, with a female, or if you are a lady listening to this, then it's going to be the opposite for you. And there's going to be like a circle or a time of a transition that's come to close for you, Cancerians. I also feel that something that was supposed to have ended or closed is not going to happen right now, and you've been feeling uncertain about where things are headed, or you might have to leave things in between and never get a closure. That is quite strongly there in your mind. Somehow I feel that you're not going to allow this relationship or this connection or to come to an end right now. You're going to take some more steps to ensure that things keep flowing between the two of you. And I also feel that it is causing you a lot of heartache, a lot of emotional stress, Cancerians. So, one other thing, your card is suggesting that you need to leave some things behind and move on. Probably this is one of the relationships or the situation where to which your guides have been keeping you away from, or have been giving you subtle signs, but you're not picking them up. You're trying to overlook them. They are telling you it's time to move on and look ahead, because there is something much better lying ahead of you. And let's see what other messages Spirit has for you. I feel that some of you could have to go ahead and apply for a loan, or maybe ask for some kind of financial help, but that you would not have to resort to it for a long term, or you would not have to depend on external help for a long term, because your own finances would look up very soon. And in the month of May, I don't see so much of a problem, but you do need to be careful when it comes to your expenditures, Cancerians, because just go slow, give your time to recover financially in the coming times. So just go slow with the expenditures. I'm also feeling that if you make any kind of a big expenditure right now, the amount may not come back to you, or you may not feel financially revived for a while. So just pay attention to your finances, Cancerians. So that is it from me for now. Cancerians, do remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and give this reading a thumbs up if you liked what you heard here, and comment and let me know how these energies are playing in your life, Cancerians. And do remember that once you hear this reading at the beginning of the month, you might want to go back to this reading in the middle and the end of the month as well, in the month of May. And that is when you will realize what has already come to pass, and what are the things you still need to be watching out for. So do comment and let me know how these energies are working for you, Cancerians. Until we meet again, bye bye.